Hey guys, this is Shubhamdev. Today I will explain structure and first. So I think you know what is the structure and what is the function. So actually I have been told you what is the structure and function in the prior lecture. Today I will use both simultaneously. So there is a important point written down which is like a variable of the standard data type. A structure variable can also pass to the function by value or by address. Okay, in the simple concept you can say the structure elements also can be passed to the function by using value call by value method by using call by value address method. Okay, so and I have been told you what is the call by value and call by reference method. And whenever you need to pass the structure elements to the function, then you have to declare that structure out of the main function. That's mean you need to declare the structure as a global whenever you transfer the elements of the structure to the function. Okay, it is the important point to know. And now I will tell you with the example with the program. So here I have a program. In this program, wait please, yeah, in this program you can see that I have a structure of a student, and student has a member name, roll number, class. That's mean the variable name, roll number and class. Name and class is a character type variable which has a length of 20, and roll number is an integer type variable. And here I'm declaring the student as a global, and after that under the main function I am initializing the values to these variables, means name, roll number, and standard means class. Okay, and after that here I'm calling the display function. You can see the definition of display function is written down here, and from here I'm calling display function, and you can see I'm using the address of the student object std as a argument. Okay, that's mean I'm passing the address of the object of the structure student from here to here. Okay, and here you can see that I'm using a pointer variable st, which uh, is responsible for collecting the address of the object of the structure student. Okay, and this is the format whenever you collect the address of the structure, so then you have to use syntax like this. Okay, and after that I'm just printing those values, I mean the values or the values of the variable of the structure. Okay, and here is the format st denotes st arrow name, st arrow roll number, st arrow class. Okay, and so let's run this program. So you can see that the name of a student is Subhamdeep, and the roll number of the student is this, and the class of the student is BTech final year. Okay, so this is the format of using call by address. Okay, call by reference method. And now I will tell you I have another program. In this program you can see I have a structure under the main function structure student, which has the name, roll number, class as a same as before. And here I am initializing the values to these variable, means name, roll number, and class. Name is Swamdeep, roll number is this, and class is BTech final year. Okay, and here you can see that here I created the object of student, which is std, and after that I'm std dot name. That's mean it will transfer the particular value which is Subhamdeep, uh, and std roll number, it will transfer the particular value roll number. Okay, and student class, here I'm transferring this entire string. Okay, I mean I'm using a particular values for as a argument for transferring it to the function. Okay, here I'm calling display, which definition is written down here, and here you can see that I taken a pointer type variable s, which is a character type. Okay, and here integer type variable t, and here uh, Wait please. Yeah. Okay, I have to use here. Yeah. Okay, so actually I'm using a pointer type because it will collect the entire letters in the name, in the std name, which is Shubham, Shubham. If I do not use hysteresis here, so it will collect only one letter, which is S. Okay, so that's mean I have to use hysteresis for collecting entire letters of the name. And you can see here I'm just collecting the integer type value, so I'm not taking a pointer type variable. And after that I'm just printing those values that I collected from here. And because as a is a string type, so that's why I use a percentage s, and t is an integer type, that's why I'm using a percentage d, and use a string type, so that's why I used percentage s. Okay, so let's run this program. And here you can see the name of the student is Somdeep, the roll number of the student is 12 something, and the class of the student is VTech finally. Okay, so this is the concept of a call by value method. Okay, so if you have any confusion, you can put on my channel. I will respond as soon as possible. Okay, and please don't forget for subscribe if you find this video useful. Now bye.